In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove trade history on TradeLocker. Now, you can't actually directly remove this down here, so if I go to order history down at the bottom, you can see there's actually no way to remove it. However, you can do two things. The first thing is you can hide or disable the display of past trades on the chart up here by simply navigating down here to settings, bottom left, and then where it says trades on chart, you want to click on that and toggle it, and therefore you won't see your trades on the chart anymore, like this, as you can see. And then the second thing you can do is you can actually hide the trades panel by clicking over here, so this button, or pressing T on your keyboard, which is going to just hide this order history and your trades panel down here at the bottom. It's going to basically hide it, but you can't actually remove your order history altogether. If you actually want to remove it, you will have to sign up for a new account with a new broker, or of course create a new demo account and start freshly, sign up with that account, and that's the only way to actually delete this order history, or of course, as we could also call it, the trade history. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.